Hi, my name is Allie Van Zee. I'm a registered nurse, certified essential emotions coach, and body talk practitioner. I have been involved in the wellness industry, educating and working with thousands of other people like you for 30 plus years. I help people to become emotionally, physically, and financially self-reliant and thriving. If you are new to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And stick around to the end to learn how to access my free guide. Do you ever feel confused, unable to focus, mentally fatigued, maybe lacking some joy and energy? In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways on how to use lemon essential oil to support and process emotions naturally. In this video, you'll learn the positive properties and the negative emotions that lemon essential oil impacts. Plus, I'll share 3 ways to use it. Pure, unadulterated oils reprogram the unconscious mind because the pure oils impact your chemistry, which powerfully shifts the wiring of your brain. When you mix chemistry, you change chemistry. Remember, be sure to stick around to the end, and you'll have a chance to download my free tool. Let's jump in, shall we? So you can learn another hack on how to become emotionally, physically, and financially self-reliant and thriving with lemon essential oils assistance in supporting and processing emotions. We're going to start today by reviewing lemon essential oil's resume from the Essential Emotions Guide, one of my favorite resources. It reads as follows. The delightful aroma of lemon essential oil engages the mind and aids in concentration. While lemon supports the emotional body, its major effects are experienced in the mental field. The crisp scent of lemon oil improves one's ability to focus. Lemon is a wonderful aid for children struggling with school. It teaches individuals to be mentally present by focusing on one thing at a time. Lemon dispels confusion and bestows clarity. It counterbalances mental fatigue due to too much studying or reading. Lemon restores energy, mental flexibility, and the drive to complete a project. Lemon is especially helpful and useful in cases of learning issues, whether an individual has a difficult time concentrating or feels incapable of learning. Lemon clears self-judgment such as I am dumb or I'm not a good enough student. Lemon calms fears and insecurities while restoring confidence in the self. Emotionally, lemon inspires a natural playfulness and buoyancy in the heart. It assists in releasing feelings of despair and hopelessness by restoring feelings of joy and happiness. Lemon inspires joyful involvement in the present moment by infusing the soul with energy, confidence, and alertness. In summary, the negative emotions that lemon essential oil assists in moving out are confused, unable to focus, mentally fatigued, lacking joy and energy, learning issues, guilty, disengaged, and the positive properties, focused, energized, mental clarity, alert, rational, and joyful. Now, here are the 3 ways you can use lemon to support you in processing emotions. Aromatically, you can inhale it from the palms, right? Put a few drops in the palms of your hand, or by diffusing it. On my website, you'll find recommended diffusers. The second way is topically. You can dilute 1 to 3 drops in a carrier oil and apply to the wrists, to your wrists or to your temples. And then the third way is internally. Take 1 to 2 drops under your tongue, right? So directly under your tongue or in a capsule or in water. You can repeat these applications throughout the day as needed, and you can use all 3 methods simultaneously. As a side note, I want to invite you to join me in an upcoming class to learn about hack tips when using essential oils. And before we close, here's a quick story that I thought would be fun to share with you. While working with a client who had purchased some lemon essential oil from me, she commented during a follow-up consult how significant the impact was from lemon. She didn't even realize it until she ran out. The lemon essential oil had not only helped her to focus, but she also felt significantly less anxious feelings. This is a side effect she hadn't expected. From that point on, her life changed, and she never wanted to go back to life without her newly found oils, especially lemon. She even decided to become a business partner. I invite you to comment below, what time of day would lemon essential oil be a great support to you? Come back for more videos on essential oils and emotions.